Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Due to some personal and financial issues, the bathroom has been put on hold. Last we left off, our good friends Joseph and Nick finished all the plumbing. The hole has been backfilled. They poured the concrete. I really wanted to do this myself, but currently do not have the time and energy, so I will just be documenting the process. The general contractor should be here soon. I think today is finish demolition, cleaning everything up, hopefully get some insulation and drywall in today. I'm on my lunch break and Hershon is doing quick work. He took out all the nails and drywall that I left over. There was a frame here that's non-structural. He did very quickly. Afternoon is more of the same. I am gonna eat real quick and come back, check on him in a few more hours. Good morning. So yesterday was just demolition and I don't think that's enough footage for its own video. Depending on how much they do today, I might be breaking these up into 2-day parts. Hershon did move some of the electrical. He did so much work in a day. I'm guessing this would probably take me at least a week. I'm gonna get ready for work, wait for them to get here and see what it looks like at lunchtime. I got Hershon some tacos. He finished the framing and some electrical work. My turn to eat. We'll check back in the afternoon to see where he's at. They just left. I'm gonna link their socials because I started filming and they were like, hey, we do that too. But way more famous than me, 600K followers on the Facebook. Edvin was nice enough to film an intro with me, push me to finally create my own Facebook page with the same name as this channel. They've been so awesome, fast, quick work. Yesterday, demolition, cleanup, preparation. Today, framing, concrete, electrical in the right spots. Can't wait to see what happens in the next few days. Video $2.99 done.